I've got some gappage in here, and when I sit in this chair, this side of the chair cranks in, and there are dowels there and there attaching this piece to that piece that are still intact. That's what's keeping the integrity of the chair. But what I'm going to do today is I've fashioned some shims here that you see I've got in place, and I've got another one right here in this corner as well, about 1/16 inch of a gap, and I'm going to flood these cracks with this wood glue, and then I'm going to hammer these shims in really tight, and lastly tie her up with bungee overnight. To drive that shim into that crack, I'm just using a mill file because the angle is very awkward, and that shim is driven in really well. And then I'm going to finish it off with another application of the wood glue. I've got about 4 shims in this crack alone here. Next day, friends, I've removed the bungees and shaved down the wood just so it's smooth and flush with the existing wood, and just applied some crude stain on there. But let's check it out and see if this holds up. Okay, first impressions, has not a single creak or anything on that seat. Whereas previously, again, this thing would be angling in. It would turn at least a 1/4 inch in. And that feels great. Plus the seat is firmer now because it's not losing surface area with that flanging in. Post your comments below, particularly if you're into furniture repair, do-it-yourself furniture repair like myself. And thanks for watching, guys. Consider subscribing to my channel because every video is literally a new adventure over here.